Okay, calisthenics. Two finger. Oh! Ouchie. Okay. Anyways, yun, tingin ko pinapractice niya yung two finger na balancing. Kaya lang dumulas siya. Yan. Pero anyways, good job, Bryce. Calisthenics. Yan, Bryce. Nice one. Nice job. Alam ko, makukuha mo rin yan. Yan. Kung makukuha mo yung video, gusto kong makita. Yan. Talagang malupit yung mga ganun two finger balancing. Good job! Okay, mukhang kakaiba to Okay, nice job. That was Edrian. Yan, Edrian. Sana kabilaan. Yan, akala ko pag sabit ng isa, sasabit din yung isa sa kabila. Yung pala magkahiwalay. Yan. Pero sana next time makita ko kabilaan na nakabalance yung ganun. Nice one! Okay. Anyways guys, this is Roden Calisthenic. Anong gagawin niya? Wow! Nice! Okay guys, ano ba yan? Ano ba tawag? Ang alam ko lang Nambaras pero ang ginawa niya kasi 360. Oh, okay. Kala ko tatambling sa ere, sabay hawak Okay, nice one. Okay, good job. Okay, that's Roden Calisthenics doing a 360 habang nakalambitin po. Yan, kung ano yung tawag po doon, guys, please do update me, okay? Good job, Roden Calisthenics. Ang lupet. Okay, tingnan natin ito si Rowie Calisthenics. Tingnan natin yung balance niya. Oh! Swift! Yan, ang linis lang para sa akin kasi straight na straight po. Yan. Pero yan, sana makakita pa ako ng more pa sa'yo in the future. Good job, brother! Oh! Nice one! Ang galing! Ano ba yan? May lahi ka bang paniki o ibon? Okay, that's Wengel Ladrada. Yan. Good job, brother, Anong tawag sa ganon? Yan, hanging bat. Anyways, yan. Kung ano man yon, please do update me, okay? Nice job. I love everybody's calisthenic po. Yan. Peace!
Ang galing!
What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Yan. I hope nag-enjoy tayo sa mga kakaibang calisthenics na nakita natin for today. Okay, first shoutout po tayo kay Kuya Al from Negros Oriental. Next naman po kay Mark Hipoldo from Negros Oriental. Next naman po kay Joey Hina. Yan, what's up? Next shoutout po natin, yan, from Malalawi, yan, from Laguna. Next shoutout po kay Jean Galit Carpio, and pinapa-shoutout din niya yung asawa niya na masipag daw, si Jay Sumo Jr. Working at the Global. Yan. What's up? Next naman po kay Mac Saludo Motol from Marinduque. Next naman po, wala na po. So that's the last shoutout natin for today. Abangan nyo yung vlog po, yung mga shoutout natin, and of course yung mga request video nyo. Okay? Until to the next time, guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until na mag-enjoy tayo dito sa mga nakikita nating kakaiba na reaction video. Okay, guys? Peace and one love. Ingat.
Listen to my voice, listen to my voice.